Welcome to the block party.
Woo! My name is Kiari.
My name is Brandon.
We are communicators. Let's start with our house attendant.
I am confident when I speak, and I listen before I speak. I express myself through my own creativity and learn from those who came before me. I stand on the shoulders of giants. I am a communicator.
Thanks, Sterling.
This month we are focused on the IP trait caring. Hey Brandon, what is something you care about?
I care about my family and my friends. What you care about, Kiari?
I care about my sister and my mom. I help my mom around the house, and I help my sister with her homework.
Let's see what's going on in a Tiger's Den.
Pass it to you, Maka.
Hello, my name is Maka. I am in Miss Bailey's 4th grade homeroom. This month's profile is Karen. I'm going to show you what Karen looks like in the Tiger's Den. Come with me. How do you show that you were Karen at lunchtime?
You can share if the kid forget their lunch, you can share with them.
If they spill their food, you can help them clean up.
If they forget their spoon, you can give them an extra spoon.
How do you show that you're Karen in the gym? By looking out for one another and helping. By helping people clean up the cell.
By sharing toys and other items.
Hi, I'm Felicia Terry, the custodian at Cascade Elementary. The way we care for our school is by keeping it clean and safe.
Hi, I'm Naomi, and I'm an IB ambassador, and I'm in the House of Fire, and this is how you care for a bathroom without not throwing trash on the floor, flooding bathroom toilets, throwing paper towels on the wall, or do anything like that.
Hi, Ms. Thomas Davis.
Hello, how are you?
How do you keep your students caring?
How do I practice caring in my music room? I think that's what you're asking me. First of all, we do our essential agreement. One of the main things when we are using equipment, the students have to say that they are promised to care for the equipment, also making good choices. All of these in my essential agreement are important for caring. And this is the month for caring, our attribute. And so I've decided to teach the whole school a song called I Care. Would you like to hear it? All right. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
What I care about my friends and my family. I do my best to show them love, 'cause they're important to me.
Let me tell you.
Let me tell you what I care about my teachers and my school. Yeah, I help clean up, and I listen and follow the rules.
'Cause I care.
'Cause I care, and every day I show it. As I care, I want everyone to know it.
What else you care?
Let me tell you what I care about. My neighbors and my school. I help take care of them, and they help take care of me.
'Cause I care.
'Cause I care, and every day I show it. 'Cause I care, I want everyone to know it. I show I care. Say that now. I show I care. With the I show I care. Good. I show I care. 'Cause I care,
Hi, I'm Miss Bro, and our IB attribute or trait for the month is caring. And I show that I care for my students by creating numerous anchor charts to be able to cater to all different types of learning in my class. I take my kids' ideas and I put them on the anchor chart so they can see. They see their ideas and they love to come to me to be able to say what they think about them. And they utilize this in our daily lessons each and every day.
Thank you for watching Communicators TV. See you next time. Communicators out.
Now the moment you all been waiting for. Who is the house of the week? Pass it to you, Mr. Ross.